Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish in Little Alchemy Easy Guide. Start by building basic elements like air, earth, fire, and water. Then craft mud from water plus earth and try combining mud with life or swamp to progress. Experiment with small creatures and ponds, undo moves when needed, and keep testing different pairs until fish appears, staying patient and playful while exploring the game's logic. I will walk you through practical combinations that lead to fish in Little Alchemy, focusing on reproducible pairs and simple swaps to save time. Start with mud from water and earth, then test mud plus life or pond plus life to get fish. If those fail, try combining small creature elements with water or experiment with swamp plus creature ideas. Keep track of attempts and learn which sequences reliably produce fish. Watch for common mistakes that slow progress and learn quick fixes to reach fish faster. Don't mix many elements at once or rely on guesswork. Make mindful combinations and use undo to step back when a chain fails. Remember, similar words do not guarantee the same output, so test logical pairs like pond, mud, and life. Stay methodical and patient, and you'll unlock fish more efficiently while enjoying discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.